Hello, this is Roughheart and my first inbox in English. We have models from IBG models. This is P.11c Polish fighters who fight with Luftwaffe in the beginning the Second War. And this is scale 1/142. Let's take a look. We have instruction, we have decals, and we have PE parts. Let's take a look for the photo each part. We have instruction. Instruction is in Polish and English. We have free painting. This is fighters for September. We have free painting schemes. Okay, we have nice frames, and let's take a look the details. Sorry, but I don't speak English very well, but you see the pictures, you see the nice details. Is large model, very nice for me, very nice for modelers in Polish. Okay, my English is not very well. I don't speak very well. But model is nice, very nice. Is first molding model P11. We have nice details in the frames. Okay, this is cockpit. Many parts. Okay, this is I don't know, window in English. Okay, wells, and there's wells in Dunlop. Engine. In my opinion, is very nice model, Polish fighter. And thank you for the watching me. Sorry, but my English is not good. And see you later, alligator.